Okay, Joe Jenkins here. We're going to take a look at this rounded valley process being done by Orion, Jenkins Slate Masters.
So everything runs off this center mark here. There's 3 half slates and then 4 half slates. So these kind of small triangles underneath the field slates. You just run the field slates in to where it meets the 3 slates.
Oh, so you put the valley slates in first?
Yeah.
And then you run the field slates up to them?
Yep. So right now I'll put my next 4 half slates on, and then these little hidden corners, and run the field slates up over top to here.
Okay.
And then I'll put the 3 in, and then these 2 go in last.
Okay, so what are the dimensions of these field slates?
Field slates are 12 by 18. The valley slates are 6 by 20. Give you an idea of the lap. You look at this slate. It's going up under the 4th slate above it.
So you got like quadruple headlap.
About 2 inches.
So you got quadruple headlap of 2 inches.
Yeah, so if you think about the headlap, it's underneath that 2nd slate 11 inches.
I see.
So these slates have a 3-inch headlap, and these slates have an 11-inch headlap.
I see. So you don't have to put any metal or any flashing in there at all if you use that headlap system correctly, and so you're nailing all the valley slates right at the top.
Yeah, I want to keep the nails as high as possible.
And you say they're 6 by 20s?
Yeah, these are 6 by 20s. They're just 12s cut in half. But these are a couple inches longer than these 18s.
Than the field slates.
Yep.
And what length slate nails are you using there?
They're 2.5-inch copper nails.
2.5 inch.
Yep.
Because these are extra thick, extra heavy slates.
Yeah, these are heavies.
What's underneath these valley slates? Is there a board under there?
Yeah, there are two boards, 2 rough sawn 1-bys. The top board here is a 1x10, and there's a board underneath it that's 1x6.5.
I see. So you put a narrow one up the valley, then you put a wider one on top.
Yep.
So like a 1x6.5.
Yeah, you could put a 2-by there, but you'd have to cut some extreme angles on both sides to get it to lay down nicely.
I
So
see.
it's easier just to lay 2 layers of 1-inch
I see.
lumber.
So once you got the boards in here that helps round it, then you run the valley slates up on the center line, and then bring the field slates into the valley slates.